Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Zilber, licensed acupuncturist and herbalist, and the founder of Modern Ancient Medicine. I want to acknowledge that you have taken the first steps to greater health and vitality by starting your treatment. Many patients have questions about their health, why they're having symptoms, and how to feel better. I have created a series of short educational videos to help answer these questions. Over the next 5 weeks, you will receive an emailed video each week. In them, we will explore why we get sick, what is stress, why it is bad for us, and what we can do about it, how our symptoms are telling us when we are out of balance, and the different time-proven techniques we use to bring the body back to health. I'm excited to be your guide and support on this healing journey. So, let's get started. How healthy are Americans? We are actually not the healthiest country in the world, and according to the World Health Organization, we're actually number 24 in life expectancy and only number 72 in healthcare performance. We're currently spending over $1 trillion a year on healthcare, but we don't really have healthcare, we have sick care. Americans are currently dying of heart disease and cancer, but then medication side effects, prescription drugs taken as directed, are killing 100,000 Americans a year. That's one person every 5 minutes. Diabetes or pre-diabetic conditions will strike half of all adult Americans by the end of the decade, and the disease will cost the nation almost $3.4 trillion by the end of 2020. 2/3 of Americans are medically overweight or obese, and more than 1/3 of American children are. Over 100 years ago, Thomas Edison said that the doctor of the future will give no medicine, but will interest his patients in the care of the human frame, in diet, and in the cause and prevention of disease. But what is the cause of disease? It really is cumulative stress. 50% of all illnesses are caused by stress, and 70 to 80% of all visits to the medical doctors are for stress-related illnesses. People who ineffectively manage stress have a 40% higher mortality rate than non-stressed individuals. And 70% of people surveyed said that they felt stressed in a typical day at work. How stressed do you feel? But what is stress? Stress is defined as a psychological or physical response of the body that occurs whenever we must adapt to changing conditions, whether those conditions be real or perceived, positive or negative. Another way of putting it is that stress is what we experience when we resist the reality of what is happening right now. The first symptoms of stress are fatigue, headaches, pain and tension in the neck, shoulders, or low back, irritability, sleep problems, colds, allergies, and sinus problems, digestive troubles, and menstrual issues. Who of us has experienced one of these in the past 6 months? Where do our stresses come from? They can be structural mechanical issues, environmental exposures, toxins, allergens, and infections, dietary nutritional issues, or emotional stressors. The biggest question is, which straw will break your health back and lead to symptoms? Your body is a garden, and your chi or vital life force is like water flowing in a garden hose. Without this vital life force, your garden will not thrive. In acupuncture, we work with the electrical system of the body, which supplies every cell with the vital life force energy they require to function. If there's any constriction or disruption in that supply because of any stress, physical trauma, emotional stress, toxin, or nutritional imbalance, there will be an energy blockage. That stress causes an energy blockage. And the energy blockage causes altered flow to the cells, organs, and systems of the body. Without proper energy, cells become dysfunctional. When enough cells are dysfunctional, the organs and glands don't work right. And when organs and glands are dysfunctional, the systems don't work right. When enough of the systems are dysfunctional, the body doesn't work right. And when enough dysfunction occurs, we get symptoms. Generally, symptoms only occur in the body once we have lost at least 60% of biological function. Uncorrected long enough, we get disease. Unfortunately, this is where most people enter the healthcare system. The true stages of illness and healing are recognizing that symptoms are the last phase of the body's dysfunction, not the first. The cause of health problems are found by finding the root causes to the energy blockage and fixing them. And a person who wants to be healthy and stay healthy should see a healthcare professional who can remove the cause of lowered resistance before symptoms develop. I hope you have found this introductory video helpful. In our next video, we will explore what is acupuncture, how it works, and how it can help you. I look forward to seeing you then. Be well.